Now let's get into a deeper understanding. And this right here actually breaks down what I said about multiply, divide, add, subtract. It's fucking stupid. Like this literally proves it right here, okay? A monomial times a monomial, okay? Multiplication in monomials. Introduction. Observe that 2 times 3 times 4 equals 2 times 4 times 3. In other words, factors of a product can be rearranged. Oh, but it's the same fucking thing if you do it straightforward. Why are you doing that extra work, multiply, divide, add, subtract? Huh? That's stupid. But let's keep going. The product of negative 5x and positive 6x squared y is obtained as follows. Parentheses negative 5x, parentheses positive 6xy equals negative 5 times x, negative 5 in parentheses, excuse me, times x times positive 6 in parentheses times x squared times y equals parentheses negative 5 parentheses positive 6 times x squared times y, or negative 30x squared y. See, and this shows you all they do is rearrange it for confusion. It's all about finding the base format. And that's what they do in scripts, in songs, in TV shows, news, in their fucking bullshit that they do, like them tariffs. It's all about we have to find the base format of their fucking purpose because somebody wouldn't suck your dick or kiss your feet or kiss your fucking ring. Nobody gives a fuck. It's not going to happen. That's all you're trying to do. Okay, now find as in step 2 the following products. Parentheses A, parentheses positive 3xy, parentheses positive 2x, parentheses B, parentheses negative 4rs squared, parentheses plus 2r, C. Oh, they just did it like that. Excuse me, I'll take the A, B, and C's out of there. Parentheses negative 2a squared, parentheses negative 5ab. Okay. Examine the results of step 3. Give the following products at sight if possible. And this tells you how to decode. Like, this is the deeper level of this book right here, the code. This is the deeper level of understanding, people. And so A is parentheses plus 7x, parentheses plus 5x. Squared. And how does that make sense? How can you take plus or parentheses positive 3xy, parentheses 2x squared, and get parentheses 7x, parentheses 5x? There's no y. So, like, this is all like, it's all stupid. Like, it makes no sense. They're just trying to add bullshit in there where it's not needed. Remember, principles before personalities, people. But you don't get it. You just want to push lies and push your propaganda agenda bullshit. Okay, now, before I go off on a tangent like that, let's do this. Rule: to find the product of two monomials, first multiply together the numerical coefficients using the law of signs for multiplication. Step 2, multiply the results of step 1 by the literal factors, giving to each letter an exponent equal to the sum of the exponents in the multiplication. Okay, hold on. It's not multiplicational. It's multiplication in the multiplier. Okay, but we'll give an example so you understand. Parentheses negative 5x squared y, parentheses plus 6 xy squared z equals -5, or parentheses -5, parentheses -6, times z squared plus 1 y 1 plus 2 squared, like in the squared position, times z equals 30x squared yx squared z. Yeah, that's how it works. But like, dude, it's so simplified, right? Dude, look, the simplification of this, right? It's so simple. Look, -5 times +6 is -30, right? And then you just add those others. There's no math. You just add them. Like, you have x squared and you have x equals, oh no, it's cubed. Yeah, so you just add them. X cubed. Then you have y times y squared. Now, how is it so messed up that you take squared times single equals cubed? That's adding, not multiplication. How stupid is that, right? Shouldn't that be like literally 2 times 1 equals 2? But no, you have to add it. Proving the whole multiply divided add is bullshit. And then you just have a single x, so it's, or z, so it's z. Like, it makes no sense what they're doing. All they're doing is brain fucking you to screw you over. And this, let me show you how this works, okay? In implanting strategic management. Strategic management. Yeah, that's how they do it. It is designing the firm's structure. Wow, that was pretty quick and fast. So it's in part 3, chapter 17, page 379. We'll go there real quick. And we'll just give you this. We'll just give you the intro so you understand it, okay? An extensive body of literature exists on the subject of organized behavior and design. It's like I just broke down they're doing. Most of it is theoretical, written in academic jargon. And I just broke down how they do it. This chapter uses the language of business and focuses on organizational forms which have evolved in practice. Wow, I'm breaking it all down before I even got into this book, huh? This chapter is an updated version of the paper which Richard Brandenburg and Igor Ansoff originally published in 1969. Ansoff noted that the original paper involved much hard work, argument, confrontation, and learning. No, it's bribes. It must have significant impact on Ansoff. In the second edition of Implanting Strategic Management, Ansoff took the opportunity to thank Brandenburg for the contributions he made to his personal development and, in fact, to his career. See, I'm exposing everything's all bullshit. You've been fed a bunch of bullshit. You pay. You go in fucking debt to be fed this bullshit that they tell you is true, but I literally keep proving it wrong and show you how in the fuck they push this agenda to fuck you over and steal from you. But hey, do your thing.